Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm all set, ready to leave for Goa, but today I'm not directly going to Goa. I'll be staying at Ahmedabad, and then tomorrow I'll be leaving from Ahmedabad to Pune and then Pune to Goa. Sachin will be joining me. So yes, today evening is going to be in Ahmedabad with Sachin and few of my friends. So yeah, let's start this journey. Yeah, so this is what happens when you live in Kutch, where you find one of the biggest ports. Alright, that is Mundra and Kandla. So exiting is always going to be full of trucks. Entering Kutch is going to be full of trucks. Traffic jam most of the time around the year. Hey yo guys, so we are on the highway and just waiting for the fun to begin. That does not mean that this ride is not exciting, but the real fun begins from Pune to Goa. I mean, come on guys, you know, the routes are scenic, the roads are so curvy. I mean, greenery everywhere, and oof, that location is awesome. So yes, just waiting to ride on that road. And of course, another excitement is this time I'm riding with Sachin again after 7 years. So let's see how this experience goes. Alright, so this is what we call Surajbari Bridge. It is the only bridge, the only way you can escape Kutch. There's no other way. So this is what you have to cross, salt pans on both of the sides, and this one route to exit Kutch, and that one over there on our right where you see the vehicles coming to enter Kutch. Oh yeah, finally open roads. So yeah, finally I guess I have 200 kilometers more to go, approx. So it might take 2 or 2.5 or max 3 hours to reach. Depends on how tired I am, and of course I need to drink water. So I will be taking a small stop very soon. Oh yeah. So that. Alright, here comes Honest, and I'm planning to take a break over here. Alright, here we are, Honest. But you know what? I'm not going to park here because I've got luggage with me, so I cannot park here and then go to washroom over there. So I'll do one thing, I'll park my bike right where washroom is, so that I don't have to worry about my luggage, you know, anything happening to my luggage, you know what I mean, right? Alright, Kaka. Alright, we're done with our peeing and all. Now let's have a cup of hot coffee and water and then get out of here. You must be wondering, where are my gloves? Gloves are over here. Okay, I'll park it here. Cool. Now let's go have some coffee. Okay, so for a change I decided to take one samosa, not one plate. I was feeling hungry, and I thought I'll have coffee and just one samosa so that I get energy to ride for another 100 kilometers. So yeah, we eat this and we'll leave, and then let's see what the next plan is. I have no idea. Maybe we'll have lunch. Sachin will come to pick me up at 2 o'clock. So everything depends on what time he comes. What are the plans? I don't exactly know. So yeah, once I reach Ahmedabad, only then will I know what are further plans for lunch. Okay, we will say bye bye to Honest, and we'll say hello to Highway. I'm in no hurry, and I'm on a break, so yeah, it's okay to take a break while you are on a break. I literally have a lot of energy. I don't feel tired at all, as if I haven't driven anything. Although I have covered 200 kilometers, but still I feel like nothing compared to when we ride in summers. So yeah, I'm enjoying this ride all the more and I hope this winter stays for long so that I can make many more rides in coming months. Okay, I have reached Sanand. It's about 20 kilometers, 15 kilometers from here, my hotel. But I want to have a glass of sugarcane juice if I find somewhere, since the winters have started kicking in. I hope just one glass, because I haven't drank anything since morning. I mean, what I mean to say is I had just 1 cup of coffee and 1 cup of black coffee. So I want to have some liquid, if not water, at least sugarcane juice, so that I can get some more energy and also quench my thirst. Sugarcane, 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 sugarcane. Kidhar hai man, sugarcane? Coconut water. I don't want coconut. I think if I keep going like this, I will reach my hotel and I won't find even a single sugarcane wala. Come on man, sugarcane. Where is it? Where are you guys? At least one? No, damn. See, sugarcane is because I'm not a fan of cold drinks. Yes, I do like thumbs up, but again, that is once in a while. Now guys, I think I missed my chance of having a glass of sugarcane. Bloody hell. Now I'll reach my hotel in 7 to 10 minutes. And then maybe I'll have something over there. Let's see. I'm sure I won't get sugarcane for sure. I'll get cold drinks, but no, I won't opt for cold drink. Yay! Congratulations to me! Finally, I reached my hotel. Hotel Safar in Ahmedabad. But got nothing to drink yet. Oh yeah. गुड आफ्टरनून सर जी, मेरा बुकिंग है, देखिए ना ज़रा प्लीज़, रूम नंबर ही बता दो। कोई आ जाएगा हेल्प करने मेरे को प्लीज़? बाइक यहाँ पे रखूँ चलेगा? सेफ्टी है ना? बस ये मैं लेकर आता हूँ, ये लेकर आता हूँ मैं, आप जाइए, थैंक यू। डैम। Alright, so I reached in my room now, and a small tension, but before that I'll tell you guys, I was super hungry, so I've ordered paratha for me. Okay, nothing heavy. And yeah, the tension is I just got a message in my group, in my Triumphs group on WhatsApp, that whoever are planning for IBW, get your rain gear ready, because it's raining over there. It showered today, so maybe 2-3 days more it's going to shower. And damn, I've reached Ahmedabad and I don't have anything with me, so I guess I will have to buy rain gear from here. So that's that. Now just waiting for my lunch to come. I'm super hungry. I'll have my lunch and then I'll decide what to do next. My friend, model. So as usual in Ahmedabad, ending our day with dinner. अब यार कहाँ खाए वो सब यार, छोड़ो ना हर बार, है ना? I do have other friends in Ahmedabad, but whenever I call them, they are super busy, you know. So I feel that when someone gives you their time, respect them, and I respect you, bro.
Me too, me too.
Good. What's the scene? I don't know. I need to sleep. I need to leave early tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. I'll have to get up at 4:35 to be able to leave by 6. भाई नवीन एक बात बता,
हाँ?
दूसरे क्यों नहीं आते मिलने के लिए भाई, अपने क्लासमेट्स?
बिजी आदमी है भाई।
हाँ,
बिजी लोग हैं, आप लोग हैं।
मेरा व्लॉग देखेंगे साले, मेरा नाम खराब कर देगा। अय्या। So yeah, that is that guys. Time to go home. It is 11:15 already. All thanks to Naveen.
नहीं भाई, कोई ऐसी दोस्ती आ रही है, बचपन की दोस्ती आ रही है।
Oh no doubt, दोस्ती आ रही है अपनी यार। So yeah,
मिले बहुत सालों के बाद है, पर दोस्ती तो रहेगी यार।
True. I agree bro, दोस्त है तो सब है bro. So yeah, we'll end this vlog. Yeah, we'll not wait for me to reach home and then end the vlog. Maybe I'll take another 15 minutes to end the vlog. So I'll end this vlog here. Tomorrow is the main day from Ahmedabad to Pune, about 700 odd kilometers. अच्छा भाई साहब अभी पेट्रोल भी तो भरेगा. अरे यार जितना लेट हो रहा है तो उतना ही लेट कर रहा है जबरदस्ती. That's what I think. Yeah, tomorrow is the main day. So tomorrow we will be leaving from Ahmedabad to Pune. Google Map shows 17 hours, but we reach in 14, I guess. So yeah, that is that. We'll catch you guys in the next vlog, and the next vlog is going to be from Pune to Goa. You guys are going to enjoy that. So yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Till then, you guys take care. Remember one thing, it's your life. Live it right, live it your way. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Take care.